Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial and we're going to start off with the eye base. We're going to be using a concealer and we're going to put it all over the eyelid. This is a really good trick if you don't have a eye base product, and it works really well. You want to pat this in until it looks all even. Next you want to use the MAC Studio Fix face powder and pat it all over the eyelid to make it dry. The eye look is going to be really simple and we're going to use a peachy pink base to go over the eyelids. You want to use a back and forth motion and blend it out evenly. Next, going to go in with a darker shade of brown and darken up the edges, and that's it. We're using literally two colours. Going to use the face powder again and go over the edges and inner corner to blend it all out. I'm going to use a shimmer on the inner corner and brow bone. Next, going to be using the MAC Conceal Duo and pat it over one eye so I can show you the difference. On the other side, we're going to use the Illamasqua Colour Corrector in Emerge, and we're going to go over the under eye, chin and around the nose. Next, going to put foundation on and going to blend it around the face with a wet beauty blender. I'm using the Illamasqua one around both sides of the chin and the MAC on the other side of the eye, and I'm going to put foundation on and blend it out with a wet beauty blender. I finished the rest of the face off camera and put some lashes on. Next, going to be going in with MAC Ruby Woo lip liner to do a red lip. You want to start off at the edges and make your way along the lip line in slow, steady movements. You can take as long as you need. You want to remember to take small strokes so you can give it more precision in your shape and make sure you get the desired shape that you're looking for. Also, you want to go around the edges a few times to make sure you got even colour balance before you put the lip colour on. Here I'm using a red liquid lip by Fiinx. I'll link it down in the description bar along with all of the other products. When you're going for a darker colour, you want to give it a few coats to make sure that the colour comes out properly. A top tip is to use some concealer or foundation and clean up the edges. You want to go in with some translucent powder and put it over the edges to give it that finish after letting it set. I'm going to go in with the Illamasqua highlighter in OMG and put it all over the high points before going back in with the lip brush and giving it a final touch on the lips. Next, I'm going to be using the Far Sally liquid oil and putting it over the lip to give it some shine and moisture. And that's it. That's the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. It was just a quick and easy video just to show you that no matter which colour corrector you use, you can still achieve the same look, and how to get an eye base when you don't have one at home. I hope you enjoyed and learned the tips and tricks in this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe.